my name is Yoonjin Lee. I came from South Korea last year. Before joining this MSA program, I earned bachelor's degrees in English and Japanese literature, and I worked in an insurance and marketing field in Seoul. If you are looking to start a career in accounting, or if you already passed the CPA exam, the MSA program is an excellent choice. This program not only offers numerous networking opportunities, but it also provides robust job placement support. You can get personalized help with your interviews and resume. As one of the top 3 schools in these areas, we have many alumni in various accounting sectors. In the data analytics concentration, we learn to analyze and leverage raw data to solve business problems and create persuasive visual presentation for clients. This spring, I completed the VITA volunteer tax program, which has been a rich and intensive experience. Personally, I managed both childcare for my 2 children and my studies without much trouble. I am grateful for this program's flexibility and support. Now, I'm excited to start as a full-time auditor this summer. If you are looking to expand your career in accounting in the US, or even if you are just starting out, the MSA program could be the best decision of your life.